How to create a quiz in Quizlet. I'm going to show you how you can easily create a quiz in Quizlet. Open Google Chrome and search for Quizlet. Click on the Login button to log in to your Quizlet account. Once logged in, click on Your Library and then click on your username. Click on the plus icon to start creating new content. Click on Your Sets and select the sets you want to include in your quiz. Click on Create a new set to begin creating a new quiz set. Fill in the required fields such as the title of your set, description, and any other details Quizlet asks for. Click on Add Card to start adding questions to your quiz. For each card, enter a term in the term field and its corresponding definition in the definition field. You can also add multiple choice options to make your quiz more interactive. Enter different answer choices and specify the correct one. Once you've added all your questions, review your set to make sure everything is correct. Click on Create to finalize and save your new quiz set. Your quiz is now created and ready for use in Quizlet.